Subroutines. A subroutine is a group of instructions that will used repeatedly in different locations of the program. For example, if a time delay is required between three consecutive events, three delay can be written in a main program. To avoid repetition of the same delay instruction, the subroutine technique can be used. In assembly language, a subroutine can exist anywhere in the code. Rather than repeat the same instruction several times, they can be grouped in a subroutine that is called from the different locations. The 8085 microprocessor has two instructions to implement subroutines, call and return. The call instruction is used to redirect program execution to the subroutine. Return to main program from a subroutine. The return instruction is used to return the execution to the calling routine. The call instruction is used in the main program to call a subroutine. The call instruction is a 3-byte instruction that transfers the program sequence to a subroutine address. The call is used to push the address of the instructions immediately following to the call into the stack, and to load the program counter with the 16-bit address is supplied with the call instruction. Now moving to return instruction. Return instruction is executed at the end of the subroutine. The memory address stored on the stack is retrieved and the sequence of execution is resumed in the main program. This is a 1-byte instruction. Return instruction is also used to load the program counter with the return address. For using call and return instruction, you must have these cautions. For call instruction, the call instruction places the return address at the two memory location immediately before where the stack pointer is pointing, and also you must set the stack pointer correctly before using the call instruction. And for moving to return instruction takes place, the content of the two memory locations at the top of the stack uses these as return address, and do not modify the stack pointer in a subroutine. You will lose the return address. Now the question arises how data passes to a subroutine. In an assembly language, data is passed to a subroutine through a register. The data is stored in one of the registers by calling program, and the subroutine uses the value of the register. And there is also other possibility is to use agreed upon memory locations. The calling program stores the data in the memory location, and the subroutine retrieves the data from the location and uses it. Previously, we have seen unconditional call and return instruction. Now we see conditional call and return instruction. The conditional call and return instructions are based on 4 data conditions: carry, zero, sign, parity. The conditions are tested by checking the respective flag. If the call conditions are met, then the program are transferred to a subroutine, and after subroutine, return instruction return to the main program. Now we will see some conditional calls depending upon the carry flag, zero flag, sign flag, and parity flag. We will see whether these flags are set or not set. According to these, we have these abbreviations. Similarly, we have conditional returns depending upon the carry, zero, sign, and parity flags, whether they are set or reset. We have a simpler program at 2040. There is call instruction which will send program to the subroutine 2070, and at 207F we have return which will send subroutine to main program. Thanking you for watching this video. Goodbye.